Anybody from St. Mark's inside here? Big up St. Mark's people one time. His name, RASHID, Julien, doing a song entitled Vending Machine. Progress Park, help me welcome on stage, CRYAVE.
Progress Park, how we feeling? Buns. Body like Coca-Cola, girl, your shape so nice. And behind the glass, she keep everything on ice. If you want the finer things in life, you must pay. What that song ain't like, hey, that is not a lover, that's a vending machine. Only when something put in, I could get anything. Transactional love, that is not a lover, that's a vending machine. Only when money put in, I could get anything. But could not I get in there and go? I try every number, I just need a sip of your water. Error code, error code, error code. Baby, please don't tell me all that you have said, Lord. You're like pushing your butt. Baby, you're my touchy last. Come here, we take a chip. Your body Coca-Cola, I want to take a sip. To me, the exotica when you're whining, baby. You sweet and you're spicy, hard, girl, you're my chili stick. All you. Tonight I have a sweet tooth, baby. And you look like a delicious snack. Your body is like a classic select. Yeah, why? Girl, you have everything I want in one bag. Girl, my heart's a credit card, you keep in your jeans. But my love gets in decline, I'm begging you please. Yet you still take every day. All the people rocking out here like this right now. And with it, hey, that's not a number, that's a vending machine. Only when something put in, I could get any. Transactional, that's not a number, that's a vending machine. Only when money put in, I could get what we get in. The whole night I get in there I go. I try every number, I need a sip of your water. Error code, error code, error code. Baby, please don't tell me all that you have. We keep it up so, hey. Baby, you're my touchy last. Come here, we take a trip. Your body Coca-Cola, I want to take a back down so. You need a exotica when you're whining, baby. You sweet and you're spicy hard, girl, you're my chili. So I'm putting every coin slow and steady. I hoping that she puts something back. Girl, you always keep you just cool and ready. But tonight you don't need stop. That's not a lover, that's a only when money put in, I could get any. Transactional, I want to see every rock in the air right now. Every flag in the air right now. I swing it, swing it, swing, swing, swing it around and error code, error code. I try every number, I need a sip of your water. Whoa, whoa. Baby, please don't tell me all the witchy bed. Hey, baby, you're my dirty lad. Your body Coca-Cola. To me, the exotic when you're whining. Bands, let me take it soft now. Baby, can you tell me when you're stuck replaying? I just want to know how long I have to wait. Your sweet cherry cola got me so addicted. Is your love expired? I just out of there. Pump me up. Baby, can you tell me what you stop replaying? I just want to know how long I have to wait. Your sweet cherry cola got me so addicted. Everybody from the front to the back, raise your hand and spin it around, man. That's not a. Hey, only when I could get any. Transactional, that's not a lover, that's a vending machine. Only when I could. But what we getting tonight? What not I getting in a code? I try every number, I need a sip of your water. Error code. Baby, please don't tell me all that you have said, Lord. Cause I pushing your butt. Baby, you're my touchy land. Your body Coca-Cola. To me, the exotica. Low. Take me low, take me low, low. Good night, Progress Park. I said said good night, Progress Park. I see a lot of beautiful faces here tonight. But right now this song is called Vending Machine. If you know you're not selling your love here tonight, darling. If you know no man cannot buy your love. Let me see you put your rag in the air now. Let me see it. If you know nobody cannot buy your trust. If you know nobody cannot buy that from you. Put your rag in the air. And what are we doing? Simple instruction. To the left, to the right, to the left, and to the right. Faster now. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. All you left, right, spin it around and around. Cause that's not a only when I could get anything transactional. That's not a lover, that's a vending machine. We having fun here tonight. But all you see that I'm dressed really smart here tonight. All you know why? Right now I'm on a second date. I said I'm on a second date. All you want to know is who? Her name is GROOVY Monarch. All you hear that? Her name is GROOVY Monarch. She bring me on a first date in prelims. Now we in semis and we on a second date. And I really want her to bring me on a third date tonight. So all you have to help me impress her here tonight. Are you ready to help me impress her here tonight? Well listen, I write a note for she, you know, but my mother always tell me to speak from the heart. So, forget the note. Band, one drum, one drum, one drum. Are you ready? She have 25 men fighting for she. Every year spending all the cash. I have people telling me I can get she. That the first time that I had her was my last. No! But this year I have a plan to make she feel sweet. Serenade her here tonight with sweet melodies. Once you see the crowd coming home in 10 months with me, put your rag in the air. Cause life's not a hey, only when money put in, I could get anything. All you want, that crowd right there, we going up point to the judges right now. Tell them vending machine has to be in the final. Let's go, cause what night I get in there. I try every number, I need a sip of your water. Yeah, yeah. Baby, please don't tell me all that you have said. All of it right there. Baby, you're my touching last. Your body Coca-Cola. To me, the exotica. Are you ready for one more big wave? Put your rag in the air. Put your rag in the air. Put your flag in the air. Put your flag in the air. Spin it rock, nana, rock, nana, rock, nana, rock. Rock, nana, rock, nana, rock, nana. 1, 2, 1, 2. But that's not a only way I could get any transactional. That's not a lover, that's a vending. Only way I could. All you me love you. Hold not I get in a record. I try every number. I need a sip of she water. Set me in, set me in, set me in. Tell them violence, here I come. And I take it that crown. And it's that.
Progress back, make some noise for CRYAVE! Yeah, vending machine.
Vending machine, and of course we're here with CRYAVE. CRYAVE is definitely no stranger to the groovy stage, being a former groovy monarch himself. CRYAVE, how does it feel to be back on the stage in competition?
It feels absolutely phenomenal, man. There's no place I'd rather be than on a stage in front of my own people, showcasing the talent that God has blessed me with. So honestly, I'm just elated. I'm really happy to be here.
Interesting choice of song, though. I can't help but comment on it. Tell us about your choice of song for this year's competition.
Well, there's a lot of if you frequent social media, you'll realize the world is taking a really bad turn when it comes to the way we treat relationships, the way we treat other people, the way we treat love. We treat it more as a commodity than something that should be treasured, that should be, something that should be well treasured. And I feel like Vending Machine is a bit of commentary on that, putting something that is in society but not really spoken about into the light, like people expect you to buy their love these days, but I don't think that's the direction that we should be taking, and that's why I thought it would be really creative to put the personification with buying and vending. So that's where the song came from.
Great, thank you so much, and we want to wish you all the best.
Yeah.